Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Think of any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while it fits this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, but sure, why not?
Thanks to be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Bye. All right, right this way to wherever you're going.
Being here for a moment, everyone. We'll read you guys Lightning Lane 1. She gets connected. Wanted to come back later at a later time. Thank you so much for your patience, everyone. Just remain with us for a brief moment. Thank you so much.